Welcome to the latest demo of the media team's sprint work. We've been working on wrapping up a lot of things over the last week, getting ready for a final production deploy of the media related work to SwillEmbed and Stacks. A lot of what I'll show you today is really going to be focused on some of the finer points of the apps. So things that we're focusing on in this sprint are changes to accessibility. Some of those you won't necessarily be able to see that well in a demo, but we've been working on making accessibility improvements to the embed player. We've also been working on responsive design so that the mobile player behaves well on both the player behaves both well on mobile as well as desktop screens. One of the things that I'll show you in this video right here, and as you can see, I'm going to be resizing the screen, and as I do so, you'll see that the media has a fluid layout, and the black bars shrink in as the media gets smaller, and then as the width of the video can no longer get any smaller, it actually takes the height down, maintaining aspect ratio of the video. So you can see here that on various different heights and widths of your browser, you're going to get a nice, smooth, seamless experience with the player. In addition to the player itself, there were some issues that we were focusing on around the messages, the access restriction messages. As you can see here, we have an access restricted message that is present, and it's displaying reasonably well right now. You'll notice on this particular object, we don't have a before example here, but this is an audio object, and on audio objects, the restricted message was basically not even legible. It was smashed down and very small and overflowing beyond the player, so you couldn't read the whole thing. So now, as you can see, regardless of whether it's audio or video, we are getting more of a seamless display of the messaging for access restrictions. And as well, so this is a Stanford and location restricted, as well as we have a regular restriction here. One of the last things that I would like to show is a bug that was fixed. If actually I can pull this object up in current production, you'll notice something that snuck out on us, that the login link has a double Stanford S. So this is something that was caught in testing, and we were able to come up with a really quick fix. And as you can see here, this is the same object, and this is what will get deployed out in the next embed release. That is all we have for this demo, and hopefully we'll have some more in the upcoming sprint with a production release or very near to it.